out in the deep woods today on a solo ride, checking out some of the more technical trails that have recently just melted out. We had a really warm weekend, and a lot of these trails have been buried for like 5 months, so it's great that we're able to finally get into the more fun trails at our local riding area. But today, really what it's about is I'm testing out the new TPI tuning flash that I just got on my TPI. This is John Ross over at TPI Tuning. His flashes have been getting a lot of good press lately, so I wanted to try it out. It's very economical, and this isn't meant to be a full review or anything, but the flash is amazing. I'm very happy with how the bike is running. Definitely an improvement over stock. That combined with a fresh top end, slightly higher compression with a thinner base gasket, and this bike is running the best it's ever run in its entire life, so very happy with that. A little bit later in this video, I check out some trails that I have not ridden before. There's a section that's got some switchbacks that basically only had maybe 1 or 2 other people go up it before. It was fun, definitely got me sweating, so check that out at the end of the video. That was a bit of a challenge. Okay. Almost made the full turn. There we go. Who has been chewing this up? Come on, people. Really? choice of trail. think this is not how we're getting up this. Oh shit. We can do this. That was rough.